Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use TikTok effects in photos. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this recommended section. Here, you just need to tap on the plus icon at the bottom and your TikTok camera will be launched. Inside it, you can see there is a brand new photo feature selected. As you all know, before this feature, the TikTok camera would start on the video section and there was no concept of photos on TikTok. But now it is available and you can just click a photo or upload one from your device's gallery. After selecting the target picture, you will be able to see a bunch of features at the right side of your screen. Simply tap on the arrow icon and their names will also appear. Inside it, tap on the effects icon and a bunch of variations in effects will be displayed. Now you just need to choose the appropriate effect and tap and hold on to it. After that, select other effects similarly, and when you are done, tap on the Save Embed at top right hand corner. Once you do it, a preview will be displayed. Simply tap on the next button and this window will open up. Inside it, enter the details to your liking and post it. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.